Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the Crypto McCain YouTube channel. So, here today we're going to start off by looking at the daily chart. We've got the remnants of my hourly chart from yesterday down at the bottom of the video, so you can zoom in and check out that if you want. But I'm going to go ahead and jump in right here. So I did have my line set to our lowest low that we closed yesterday to make this triangle here, and it looks like we were going through and we were trying to get up to this resistance level here, but when we closed out with this green wick, I set this line and it just kind of bounced off of it and totally got rejected. Now we know this is supposed to be because of China's housing market, right? It's collapsing, it's going down. Who wants to live in China anyway? Oh, I didn't say that. But the charts really have nothing to do with that. The charts should operate on their own, completely independent, but somewhat correlate when you look back. They should correlate together, even though they should operate independently. So what I was going to do is, while you were here, we just broke through this resistance level I've got marked here at right about 42,000. Yeah, 42.2. This was right at the bottom of the previous triangle when we went way below it. So with this new lower low, I'm going to go ahead and move our line here and bring this back down, and this is showing a much longer downtrend at that point. Hopefully we can stay with it right about here, and if we close back above it, that would be nice, but it doesn't look like we're going to. If we close back above it, I would still consider this valid, but at this point I'm not too sure. I don't think it's going to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and move us down here to the bottom of this wick, and that'll give us like a worst case scenario. If this is the new lower low and we don't wick any further down today and keep dropping, this says that we could plausibly be in a downtrend all the way to the end of October. But that's if we break through this $37,000 resistance, which if we close below 42,000, I think we are yeah, we're sitting right here on the edge. Let's see, that's the so if we close above this support line, we may stay in that smaller triangle I showed you, this one, if we close above the support line. If we close below it, I think we're probably going to go into this longer downtrend here, and probably ping pong back and forth between this support and possibly this one as we go further down and pressure builds and we consolidate and everybody's buying. It's back below 40,000, then they're going to go bang and shoot us up, and maybe we'll be back up here by Christmas, November, December. Let's see. Let's zoom out a little more. There you go. So December would be way back here. I would like for us to get down to this mark. Give us a couple days, a week, 2 weeks to consolidate, buy in at cheaper prices. Because if we get down here, if we drop below 40K, I'm definitely going to be buying some Bitcoin. Yeah, I buy Bitcoin, I buy Ethereum. That's pretty much it. If I see any other smaller projects, I'll convert some Ethereum over to it. And that's how I buy into my different coins. But yeah, I'm thinking a little bit of consolidation here, unless we get out some like major good news that China's banks bailed out this Evergrande company and their housing market's not going to collapse. It was all just a false alarm. Nobody panic. Then we're probably just going to consolidate for a week or two, and then I think we'll probably bounce back up above 42,000 or so, maybe head towards 50, but I'm seeing a downtrend here till mid to end October. I was thinking the first week of October, but it looks like it might go a little further than that. If we say first week, it could be bouncing right off this support right here, the 7th and 8th. That's when this descending triangle crosses the next level of support I got drawn. I think hopefully a good strong bounce the first week of October, because I don't think if we don't break this right here and go through this, stay above the support line at $42,000, that we're not going to break this descending triangle for 2 weeks. Alright, so let's see if we can do the same thing on the hourly. See how they stack up against each other. Alright, so here's my previous support here. If you're looking at the hourly down below my screen, it ended right about here. And so this was the little jump that you see at the end of my hourly screen yesterday. And I thought we might go back up to the support level and test it. And I was thinking hopefully we would test it and go back up further, but we broke through it, tested it as resistance. Well, we tried to come back above it and say support again, and it said no, it's not, and we've kept dropping. So let's go ahead and move our line down here like we did for the other one to our new lower low, which is the bottom of that wick, and take a look here. So if we're staying in this same descending triangle we had drawn on the other one, it looks like our next level of support is going to be right at about 40,600, 40,500, almost right where it bounced off. Let's go ahead and do that. Right where it bounced off, it was 40,320. So right in that area, it looks like we're coming down to test it again right now. We're going to come down, we're going to test it. Hopefully it holds, and it comes back up to test this level of support. If not, it's going to break further down, and I'll readjust my chart and take a look at it again. But hopefully, like I say, hopefully we come back up above this 42,000 support in here, and we go up and break out of this descending triangle, because this is a big one. It's been 2 weeks. We did not break downtrend. So anything below this would be considered a downtrend for me. I would like us to get up above it. See, look, we had pretty much months of solid, steady up climb. Let's see. Yeah, so let's say from that one, that's the 20th of July. And our new lower low, which would be that one. We could say that we are still in somewhat of an uptrend. But again, it's right there at that critical level. This would be our newest uptrend line with lower low. If we wanted to say a reversal, we're going back up, you would draw a line like this. But I don't know if that's relevant or not yet, so we're going to trash it. And right now I'm looking for it to bounce off this support and go back up and test this one again. Alright guys, that's what I got for the Bitcoin chart today. Thanks everybody for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for subscribing if you have already. If not, hit that button, hit the like, ring the bell, let you know when I put out a new video. Try to do 2 a day, y'all, 2 a day. But I'll see you next time. Thanks.